In the desert's embrace, where the winds whisper low, Ka-hoon Campground, a haven we know. Under the vast sky, dogs roam with glee, inspiring all wild and free. Their paws leave a mark on sands shifting wide, as they bound with joy a wild, playful stride. Through mesquite and sage, they journey each day. In the New Mexico desert, where dreams find their way, with each sunrise painting the sky in hues bold, and each sunset casting its fiery gold. At Ka-hoon we're reminded in nature's grand play of life's simple pleasures, come what may. So let us cherish this off-grid retreat, where dogs roam and hearts find their beat. In the desert's vast expanse, under stars shining bright, Ka-hoon Campground, a beacon of light.